You already know all the sine ratios, trigonometric ratios?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, now today we will learn something new for today. Now, can you see this is a triangle?
Yes,
What type of triangle it is?
Scaling.
Scaling triangle, okay. Because all the sides are not equal to each other, right?
Yeah.
So, this angle is A, this angle is B, and this angle is C. Any question?
No.
So, this side you can see the BC, which is in front of A. I can write the length is a small a, right? Similarly, the length of AB, which is in front of C, I can denote this one as a small c. Similarly, the length of AC, which is in front of B, I can write what? Small b.
Yeah.
Right? For our convenient, I want to draw one perpendicular from A to BC. How is my diagram? It's perfect.
Beautiful.
So this is perpendicular, and perpendicular means it is 90 degree, this side also 90 degree. Now we got two small triangles. Which type of triangle?
Right angle triangle.
Right angle triangle, right. So in this triangle, and consider this length is h. Any question? No. Right? So in this small triangle, if I ask you sine B, B stands for the angle. Okay. So what is the ratio, sine ratio?
H upon C, which is
H upon C means opposite side to hypotenuse.
Yeah.
Opposite side upon hypotenuse. Similarly, okay, now in the next step, can I write H is equal to C into sine B?
Yeah.
Yes.
Right. Now let us go to another triangle. In this triangle, if I ask you, tell me about sine C, can you tell me about sine C? Which is equal to?
H upon B.
Yeah, opposite side, hypotenuse. For this triangle, for this angle, this is opposite side and this is what? Hypotenuse.
Yeah.
So can I write H upon B?
Yeah.
Right? Now, similarly, in this case, if I write H, what will be the statement for B sine C?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is your equation 2. Now, H is the length for both the equation. So then can I write both the right side together? Can you tell me what I can write? C times sine B, which is equal to B times of sine C. And if I rearrange, how can I write? Can I write B upon sine B, which is equal to C upon sine C. Similarly, if I draw one perpendicular from B to AC, I can prove that, after arranging, I can prove that A upon sine A.
Yeah.
You can try yourself. You can draw one perpendicular from B to AC or C to AB. You can try, then you can find one more relationship. So finally, I want to write that all together here. A upon sine A, which is equal to B upon sine B, which is equal to C upon sine C. And do you know, this is your sine rule.
Wow.
Right, so this is your sine rule. And this is the derivation, and basically nobody will ask you the derivation, but you should know. Only you have to know the application. Sometimes maybe somebody may ask you, sometime in the examination you may be asked to derive or prove that this relationship, and this relationship is called what? Sine rule. Now in your examination, suppose you are getting one question. What type of question you will be getting? Consider this angle is 30 degree and this angle is 60 degree and this length is 12 centimeter. Find out what is its length. Suppose its length is x. What is the value of x? Right? You have to take these two ratio, side to angle, side to angle. Can you tell me? 12 upon sine 60, which is equal to, quickly, x upon
Sine 30.
sine 30, right? So 12, can you tell me by using your calculator value of sine 60?
0.86.
0.86, which is equal to x sine 30.
0.5.
0.5. Then if you want x, you know how to arrange this thing. So x is equal to what? 12 into 0.5 divided by 0.86. 12 into 0.5
6.
and divided by 0.86. Final answer
6.97.
6.97
97.
centimeter. So this is your answer, 6.97 centimeter. This is the way you have to find out. You will find this question in your IB curriculum, in your IGCSE and IB, even some national curriculum also, right? I want to give you one more example. Is it clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Wow. Okay, I want to give you one more example. Okay, so suppose this is what, 45 degree, and this is 10 centimeter. This is 8 centimeter, and I don't know this angle. So now, can you tell me how to find out? Same thing, this angle, this side, this angle, this side. So then can I write 8 upon
Sine 45.
sine 45, which is equal to
10
10 upon
Sine x.
sine x. So 8 upon sine 45,
Sine 45 is
0.70.
0.70. Are you sure?
Yes.
10 upon sine x. So then 8 times sine x, which is equal to 10 times 0.76. So then if I want sine x, how can I write? This is 76 now, I guess. 7.6.
It's 70.
It's not 76, it's 70.
This is 70. Oh,
Yeah.
right. Okay. So 70, then how much it will be?
7.
Only 7 divided by 8. How much it is?
0.875.
0.875. Right. Now if you want x, then you know, if you want x, then sine will become what? Sine inverse. Now please tell me sine inverse 0.875. Then
6.104.
61.04.
61.04.
Right? So generally this is the angle. Okay, so generally you have to write 3 significant figure. This is the way you can use what? Sine rules. Okay, any question?
No, sir.
No,
No
sir.
question.